Let's do a brief tune-up for your digestion, your solar plexus. Your solar plexus chakra is bright yellow. It is your warmth, your sunshine, your power, and your identity. A lot of the times this solar plexus, the energy gets caught in either powerlessness or anger. In unfulfilling relationships with a mother or father figure. But when it's balanced, it is warm, it is kind, it is confident, and it's your internal fire, your internal furnace. So if you have weak or poor digestion, ask yourself if your power is tied up somewhere else. Maybe thinking about old memories where you were a victim, or remembering things that make you angry, or pointing out things that make you angry throughout your day. Both of those give our power away. Leave less of our energy in our body to do what it wants to do. So allow this frequency to communicate with your body, to stoke your internal fire, of your adrenals, your stomach, your small intestine, and your liver. The more energy that we call back to us here, the more we will be able to achieve our goals, go after our passions, our purpose, the more we'll be able to find joy every day. This is an important chakra for us. So call all your power back to you here and now, and feel this tone bring warmth